What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Janitors Official. For today's video, we'll do a back exercise. So, first pull-ups with 3 sets and 12 repetition. So, itong pangalawa, shrug. Ganun din, 3 sets with 12 repetitions. This is a basic workout for a back exercise. So number 3, lat pull wide. So wide kasi meron kasi isang program ito is close. So same exercise pero magkaibang muscle na tinatamaan. And then the next one is lat pull cable standing. Nakatayo po tayo dyan. Yan. Para mabanat yung mga muscle sa likod. Okay, then last one is seated lat pull. So same, 3 sets and 12 repetitions. So do this guys for twice a week and you'll see the result. So kung gusto nyo magandang resulta, do this as always. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.